Your safety relies on being notified when you're at risk of danger. That's why it's crucial that your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors are in perfect working order. New homes come equipped with either battery-operated or hardwired detectors, both of which require regular checking and replacement. To test your detectors, press and hold the test button until you hear a chirp, which may take a few seconds. This will begin the testing sequence, a series of beeps and pauses that can be quite loud. If the sound is weak or non-existent, that is a good indication your batteries are low and require replacement. When the sequence is complete, you're done. We recommend that you test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors once per month, replacing your batteries every 6 to 12 months as part of your regular home maintenance schedule. Detectors should be fully replaced at least every 10 years. For more home care and maintenance tips, visit us online.